Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun, also known as the morning star or evening star, as it can be seen clearly from the Earth just before sunrise and sunset. Venus, which is almost the same size as the Earth, completes one revolution around the Sun in 225 days. Venus rotates slower than Mercury. It takes about 243 days to complete one rotation on its axis. Venus has a very thick layer of atmosphere, which is made of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and some other poisonous gases. This layer of atmosphere maintains a high pressure on the planet and traps the Sun's heat. A natural satellite or moon is a celestial body that orbits a planet or smaller body. The moon is the Earth's satellite. Mercury and Venus have no satellites. Mars has two small satellites. The larger outer planets have many satellites. Artificial satellites are sent into space for various purposes, such as sending television signals and monitoring weather conditions. The first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, was sent by the Soviet Union in 1957. Since then, thousands of satellites have been launched into space. The Earth is the third planet of the solar system. It is the only known planet which supports life. The Earth is nearly 13,000 kilometers wide. It is the only planet in the solar system with water on its surface. 2/3 of the planet is covered by water. The Earth's distance from the Sun, its atmosphere, and the presence of water on it make it ideal for life. Life is found in every little corner of the Earth, be it the tiniest bacteria or the largest animal. The Moon is about 1/3 the size of the Earth. It has no light of its own and reflects the light of the Sun. The Moon does not have any atmosphere. It also doesn't have any liquid water on its surface. During the day, it becomes very hot, but at night it is icy cold. The Moon revolves around the Earth and also completes one rotation on its axis in 27 days and 8 hours. This is why only one side of the Moon is visible from the Earth. The visible side of the Moon is called near side. In 1959, a probe sent back pictures of the far side of the Moon. Now, let's continue our space mission. Our next stop is the red planet, Mars. Mars is only 7,000 kilometers wide, which is a little over half the width of the Earth. It has a thin atmosphere. The surface of Mars is very dry and dusty, like a desert on the Earth. It is also very cold. There are a lot of loose rocks and dunes of fine sand on it. It has the highest mountain in the solar system, the Olympus Mons. It also has the largest canyon in the solar system, Valles Marineris. Mars takes 687 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. It has two satellites, Phobos and Deimos. They are small and irregularly shaped. There are 3 orbiting spacecrafts on Mars at present. They are Mars Odyssey, Mars Express, and Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. We have completed our tour of the inner planets, and now it is time to move towards the outer planets. Warning: asteroid belt ahead. Thousands of irregular small celestial bodies revolve around the Sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. They are called asteroids or planetoids. It is believed that they are fragments of planets that existed between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter a long time ago. Now that we have dodged the asteroids, let's visit Jupiter. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It is also known as the gas giant because most of the planet is made up of liquid and gas. Jupiter is a cloudy, windy, and stormy planet. It is always covered by a layer of clouds. It completes one revolution in almost 12 years. Jupiter has 63 known satellites. Its satellite, Ganymede, is the largest satellite in the solar system. Look at the beautiful planet.